Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TV GH so wofre me adwowa search name.
Oh Charlie, say ade nye easy o. Woko Assemblies of God. Now nam kroma e fele mpo so be kan say woko Assemblies of God. De nipa baako atimi agu asole no nipa baako. Ni tumi ne president of penti atimi agu asole no. Isi nam kroma ka kan say o bra o pa cho ko da asole me ko Assemblies of God some dem nka no kore. Mo kan sempe no ma da no mo ano. Mo kan sempe no ma da no mo ano. Mo kan sempe no ma da no mo ano. Aden. It's Assemblies of God are solid see adie o feri o unam kruma akola ketekete to bisa obra mpacha okọ da solid Assemblies of God no asole no osere da adie o se o sam de mun kan okore Assemblies of God see mun kan okore mu de mun kan okore see aya fini wo krum into okọ Assemblies of God a o fele se obeka se okọ Assemblies of God because o kan ye na se na se mu de ye nim se mu de mu kan enne na ye kyena mu kan ya mbada no ma no sesi mu kan ya mbada no ma no sesi aden na ba akofo aya gu asole ne sa I'm Assemblies of God say nipa ja na nipa pastor papa bi ko. Oh Charlie, say ade nye easy o. Woko Assemblies of God. Now nam kroma e fele mpo so be kan say woko Assemblies of God. De nipa baako atimi agu asole no nipa baako. Ni tumi ne president of penti atimi agu asole no. Isi nam kroma ka kan say o bra o pa cho ko da asole me ko Assemblies of God some dem nka no kore. Mo kan sempe no ma da no mo ano. Mo kan sempe no ma da no mo ano. Mo kan sempe no ma da no mo ano. Aden. It's Assemblies of God are solid see adie o feri o unam kruma akola ketekete to bisa obra mpacha okọ da solid Assemblies of God no asole no osere da adie o se o sam de mun kan okore Assemblies of God see mun kan okore mu de mun kan okore see aya fini wo krum into okọ Assemblies of God a o fele se obeka se okọ Assemblies of God because o kan ye na se na se mu de ye nim se mu de mu kan enne na ye kyena mu kan ya mbada no ma no sesi mu kan ya mbada no ma no sesi aden na ba akofo aya gu asole ne sa I'm Assemblies of God say nipa ja na nipa pastor papa bi ko.
Obesim e dia ko seat of government actually man pene Kufuado say this nonsense must stop. Samukai. Yes. And then there's of penny law is that what's the in fact LGBT nyawa nesem. Wan kasa o kan say we no. E say o kwotena se. Wa wotena se. Na wa bisa wo say what be sound who passing their some wa kan ye wa hunimu wa dwene mu wa disua mu onti ase mu se president Kufuado na tie kunwa so se Ghana manpeni a enka de wo kan no nure sa na obeka no ana de wo kan no nura no enka sa na obeka me ade ba kwa me mpekra wo me radio adwuma ma ye nyina mu ne se me mpese me ka sofo bia ho asem asofo asem me mpeka kra it's very uncomfortable for me me nya de ameka kra but say o nyame kwan na ode ato ho no se wo so ye sofo na wo beka no kra kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan todo no eda wo asofo esese mu hu no kra we na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president ma ye wadamfo o ye obi a wo ne no country musam ni ade ha me ni problem bia wo ho ba kanokre na ya hu se wa kanokre se de no a wo kan no bra na ban ba ko no kanasa ne me say me no odi an kan pa me yeboa at least I can speak for myself and my brother odi an kan pa me yeboa me mfere ho da se me ka se LGBTQI me kan mi chi chi wade ma sorry a me ko me na me wagidie ka se me ma sorry a me ko Catholic no Catholic chiri ye tan sa de no ya bon samode se be ma say ma me kwan na me nware be ma oba se ma me kwan ma me nware oba the Catholic Church has been concerned
like me be me person I say mempe and mempe so that there was a time we use word be na me bro ni keche me say no ma me use our word no na me use our word na obi a oni timo din betimi atoto akum because of sasa me kan and I know say how the oya obi ko atwere nti no mpese me kan public ba me say me ametie so we wusu ni na ye bia dunyame metimi aye de meyo ho na metimi akaso nti na odi ayin kwa me ye bo odi ayin kan ni ya akese wa ya de se wetimi aka sofo gan ya ye friends Lawrence Tete wetimi ato bo ase atwi nanim aka ne nyansa paa mo ate ase sa kwa magimi wanze wanya no ba kasa ni neko endi se wagimi ba se waro pa bi wa ka se wo ya bo ana akwase ade da bi lalai because when you ate yen de ni nti sa nti be kan kwase ma kire no ya ni ate bro so nemu yesi ni enso ye no sa na wi abaye kukuru so ya ya kikre enso be jai aja se bre no mani abre a omo di atema e Kevin Taylor so man grofo omo kenan na sa nkwase afo so fu no mani ajno mte ho Jimmy Obama number nti he is my good friend you're a good friend because of say you bring benefit sika ni bre and then they all say bill ni enfanto nchen and na me say the same program sadwini aduma obetuma beja won say maye ni ento your boss because they say no one will say unu emba power nche yes sir unyai nana yaw bo me sem ma why ade so wetimi ase ho wa kire se we say wo esentrofo say e wo man me kase na time na me wofu o kasa be me say nani ni say be ni ko biso ko e wo koto na do tankai in the last time I think say na no be kan say o ye sorry because no mu na ni say be na koto na so ana wo so on side say na ntisa into me pa chaw what you say it na yin na yibe obi a wo ga na bia nim say mo san kwasiafo we no munyi nipa e trust me and the time will come yenya e best so say the every ase ya akonka mo radio station TV station na but say na ya okay somebody like me say ko o de ko message ko the we are ma foko ne no abro adwene ntiase so because wakasa ama etiawo me wa okasa mapo okasa ma eye.
The real crime is poverty. I know people in this government that they came here, they bought government land, they have finished buildings. I know all of them. I know all of them. So nobody should talk about Ora again. Ora is collapsed. We have collapsed it. One day when I get angry, I will release everybody's land document.
Hey, Nanado. Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Nanado and Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Nyame ben na Musum. Musum nyame ben. Wow. A plus say. NDC for now koto a state how a state lands. Omo ba ye ya within 1 year omo sisi omo dan ya wie. No no day on enche bia onu bu befu obebe be release land no bia ne de. Yo Nanado. Me say ejapade say book no. Ghana for mama wadwen amaso. Say ejapade book no. A NDC for blueprint to make the Mahama family rich. And we fell for it. And the A plus Munti in the last time. Say be one here. Yanko.
Is Agrada not out? One of the reasons why people are in prison in this country is because they are poor. The real crime is poverty. I know people in this government that they came here, they bought government land, they have finished buildings. I know all of them. I know all of them. So nobody should talk about Ora again. Ora is collapsed. We have collapsed it. One day when I get angry, I will release everybody's land document.
Me pato nti wa wo hwe Ora enim se Ora beba be bibi ama no. Kwame Asari A+. Say men kan kire mu say enye adwuma. Me pato pa. Kwame Asari say Ora no yagu no. Mo bi akra mo chese men kan Ora asem kra bi na yenkwase asem kra atwe nim. Again, Ghana's taxpayers' money gone waste. Na me kai brankrofo we wini ye. Na omodi ora be hwede okuda to abrokwa ye. Be hwede okuda to kakawure abrokwa gina ho ye. Mr. President, this is the document one. And the A+ say, you know, your friend is saying, Ora ne dia obi am forget it. Because there is nothing. Ora ne collapse it. na omu himself 4 years no omu nyan to aso. And that is why they are stealing like there is no tomorrow. Now, final one.
Ghana for we see our short memory. What was short memory? No such a Ghana for.
Hey.
Your mamma, what was short memory? No, a such a Ghana for.
Sir?
We see a quit a short memory. Your mamma, so we are within in our better match. Go buy, you know, ya tis soda. If it's here, oh, papa, woman, your mamma, Coco, if it's a baby, I say, I'm tis soda. Oh, I was so better. Your mamma, here you need your way. Nasa winning, I was so I to play. Play no one about 2 of you.
Hey.
Play no, and no one about 2 of you. So, Cotica, I can't play no one, and no one about 2 of you.
Hey. I mean, hey, now, plane is still and Crawford for plane no. Plane the name against Akamaja account. Hey, Yana Mama, plane the China one through. Yes, you are our president. China do presidency in 4 years and the can do. Why, Mr. Your mama, me pacho, why na plane no ta for Assemblies. Yeah, a Creafoni brew, you are plane no. Mr. Why? We need you alive. Sabe, end this for former president for the namun to me wusa and say bit now. You know some party na ya bron some for party. And two be mo won chenu but ye besre. Mr. Wa for playing for a while. Now, brother and the plane, you soon with the Okofa, umbe to ne ties and we the air catch no. Good. I feel my men start to fire kakra. So, yeah, we have about 20, 30. Yeah, we have about almost 1 hour. Yeah. Your time kakra. Mama, we offended you. I'm just saying, then I'm on the so I'm trying to go through it as much as I can. Now, Mokai Abrante be a friend Dela Edem. Some Mokai Dela Edem. Obedi President Kufuatem. Some Mokaya. Obedi President Kufuatem Poto. Do you guys remember? Aye. Na Kufuo Ebra Boninti. And I sebe ote wheelchair. Some Mokai. They let them me who be man and no ya. Onfenyansa Antonica Sahon to say the let them that mean she be that. NDC communicators na the opedia or time bonnet ashenimua the let them. Bema sebio on the yere a couple clear minen in baby amaning ye. Ebini the let them. Bema the yirin kun and in the samana sebe wafra or the sra udi jare and no di jare mentro so sa bema upon also their plan bema bleachy said but na ojani bleaching face no ho na we be soba umiem na we be so nanadum na odi o matem me say NDC for come and won bantem too much. I say it's coming too quick. And now you delay them Akoshe Minerals Commission. On no PRO. Public Relations Officer of Minerals Commission. Mom said this is mountain interview. Delay them. Yo. Dream. Keta seche proyebi akoso. Na your friend na onfa no kure no meto amuntie delay them asama worker. I'm missing go for ombewu boni aketua eni owu bible ne ne kan ye enu ntu ombewu yanko